So for pecs, one of my favorite releases I'm stealing from a guy named Cardin Rabin, one of my friends from school. This would have been 17 years ago. He came up with this and did it on me, and I was like, I'm stealing that. And apparently a decade later, he had completely forgotten about it because I did it on him, and he was like, what's that? That's cool. I want to steal that. And I was like, dude, I stole that from you. So basically what I'm doing is I'm sliding gently across, bringing the point of my elbow past his sternum into the belly of the pec, and then gently pulling across below the collarbone and out. And again, this is not a down deep kind of a stroke. This is getting a depth, getting into the tissue a little bit to a depth that feels good, and then skating across that plane.